This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Android version and at least 500 MB free storage, because insufficient space or old builds often break updates. Once done, restart the device to clear transient glitches and reconnect to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Open the Play Store and write down the exact error code or message. This directs the fix. Do this now, because identifying the specific failure saves time and prevents blind troubleshooting later. Next, clear cache and data for Play Store, Google Play Services, and Google Services Framework. This removes corrupted temporary files and often fixes dependency mismatches. After forcing stop and rebooting, check for Play Services and Play Store updates. Sideload the compatible APK only if stable. Then verify your Google account sync. Remove and re-add the account to refresh permissions, and make sure date and time are accurate, since certificate checks fail with wrong system time. For stubborn errors, reset app preferences or perform a network settings reset to restore defaults without wiping personal files. If the issue persists, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort, because that eliminates deep configuration corruption. Once complete, restore and test the Play Store. If things go wrong, capture the exact error code or log and use that precise text when searching for solutions. Targeted fixes save hours versus trial and error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.